Hey guys, it's Stephanie with Simarchy and welcome to a tutorial on how to set camera points in your camera. Now, this is just a quick brief overview. There is a way to do this and also change the speed settings of the camera, but that does require messing with the game files, which I'm not comfortable teaching or explaining how to do. So if you want a more in-depth tutorial, definitely check out the one by James Turner, aka The Sim Supply. He's got some great tutorials, but I wanted to just show my audience this in case they weren't aware of how to do it. Now, this might come in handy if you're doing a speed build and want to do a video tour at the end instead of just doing some plain screenshots. There's probably a ton of other ways you can use this or reasons you can use this, but that's what I use it for. So in order to set a camera control, all you have to do is go to the first point that you want to start at, and you're going to hold control and one of the numbers between 5 through, I think it's 5 through 0, but I do 5 through 9 to be safe. We're talking about the numbers up here. I'm like way off. Where am I? What am I doing? The number is right here. The camera's backwards. I don't know why I'm looking at the camera. It doesn't work with the numbers on the numeric keypad, okay? So it's just the ones on top of the keyboard. So you're actually going to go exactly where you want. So we're going to, let's say, I'm going to use E to kind of raise my camera. I'll get a good shot of the outside of the house. So this will be our starting point. So I'm going to hit Control and 5. Now that sets the camera point at this exact shot. So now when we're going forward, let's say now we want to zoom in closer to the front door, and I'm using, of course, Q on my keyboard to lower the camera. Let's say this is the second shot we want to show. Now we're going to do Control and 6. And now once we move into the house, let's say we want the next shot to be perhaps let's see here. Let's say this little chess table. Now we're going to do Control and 7. And this is just setting up all of the points for us. So now we'll do Control 8. And like I said, I usually just go up to Control 9. Let's see, if you hold Shift, the camera will move faster. This might be weird because we're going a long distance, but we'll do Control 9 for that point. So now when you hold Shift 5, it'll take you back to your original starting point. So Shift 5, and then Shift 6, 7, 8, and 9. It could go through and cycle all of them for you. So I'm holding Shift, I'm going back to 5. Now, without holding Shift or Control, we're just going to go ahead and hit the next number in our sequence. So that'll be 6, and you're going to see the camera now slowly move to point 6. Then you hit 7, it's going to slowly go over to 7. Now we're going to hit 8, it's going to go over to point 8. And then we're going to hit 9, and it's going to go over to 0.9. So it's that simple. Like I said, you can change the actual speed of the camera. So it can either sort of fade in and fade out, or just go quick or just go slow. But that does require messing with the game files, which again, I'm not comfortable doing, but you can definitely check out James Turner, The Sim Supplies tutorial on how to set camera points for more information about that part. So that's just your very basic, brief overview. I'm sure I'm missing something. Like I said, I'm not 100% comfortable with teaching this specific thing, but I wanted to just at least show you guys that it exists. And this is what I do when I'm doing like little tours at the end of some of my videos, some little video tours instead of screenshots. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on the next one. And if you have any suggestions for more tutorials, make sure to leave them in the comments below. I'll see you guys next time, and I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye! Wait guys, before you go anywhere, don't forget to click over here to watch new videos and click on my face when I disappear to subscribe.